In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent on Windows 10 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type uTorrent and press Enter. Go to the official uTorrent website. There are two versions available, uTorrent Web and uTorrent Classic. For this tutorial, we'll be downloading uTorrent Classic. Click on the free download button under uTorrent Classic. This will take you to the download page where you can choose the version you want or need. Click on the Download Now button. Your download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, click on Open File in your browser downloads. The uTorrent installation wizard will open. Click Next to proceed through the setup steps. You'll need to agree to the license agreement by clicking Agree. During the installation, you might encounter optional offers for additional software. You can choose to accept or decline these offers. Click Decline if you're not interested. Choose the installation options you prefer. You can leave the default settings or customize them according to your preferences. Click Next to begin installing uTorrent. The process should only take a few moments. After the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. uTorrent should launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from the Start menu or by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully installed uTorrent on your Windows computer. You can now start downloading your favorite torrents. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you next time.